Jerusalem, it is ours again.
In episode 2, we saw Saladin's rise in Egypt, how he became vizier, how he reconnected Egypt to Sunni.
Now, his true test begins.
And the path to it will be stained with blood, strategy, and faith. As Saladin solidified his rule, he faced new challenges. The Crusader states of Jerusalem, Antioch, and Tripoli remained hostile. Knights like Reynold of Chatillon broke treaties, raiding Muslim caravans and threatening holy cities. The peace was broken, Prof, and the shadow of war began to rise once again.
Saladin could no longer ignore these provocations. He prepared his army, fortified borders, and sent envoys demanding peace.
Enough, they have crossed the line.
Fortify every border. Ready every soldier.
In 1187, Saladin launched his campaign. He marched his forces toward Galilee. The Crusaders, led by King Guy, responded.
To Tiberius, we hold the Holy Land, or die trying.
Low water supply
Water! We need water!
and constant harassment by Muslim cavalry. Visual cue: troops marching, exhausted knights, desert heat haze.
Strike and vanish. Leave them to the sun.
They were trapped between hills called the Horns of Hattin. Surrounded, parched, tired, they had little chance.
For Jerusalem. We are surrounded. There is no escape.
After Hattin, the cities fell one by one.
On October 2nd, 1187, Jerusalem surrendered.
Jerusalem, it is ours
Unlike the horrors of the
again.
First Crusade, Saladin allowed peaceful departure for many Christians. Churches preserved, lives spared. It was a turning point.
Unlike the horrors of the First Crusade, Saladin brought peace. Jerusalem was free once more. Saladin's victory echoed across both Muslim and Christian worlds.
He had achieved what kings before him could not.
But the Crusaders would not stay silent. They called for new armies from Europe.
In episode 4, we will see the clash between Saladin and Richard the Lionheart.
The Third Crusade, the Siege of Acre, and the legendary duel of faith and arms. Stay tuned.